There is no stereotyping or labeling of roles at SageGlass. It's just a fair field to everyone who approaches the company, equal opportunity for all. They respect individuality and recognize and value job skill sets and true passion towards the product. It's a very diverse group. There is a lot of very experienced people, and there's a lot of young people right out of school like me. There's a lot of engineers, there's architects, there's management professionals, so it's a very diverse team, and I think that's what helps us learn from each other. Everybody supports everybody, there's a lot of openness to learn, and curiosity is welcomed. Overall, I feel like that's one of the major driving factors of our success is the collaborative culture.